Hello and welcome back to another video with laserengravingbusiness.com. And in this video I just wanted to show you guys a really neat tool that I think everybody should have. It's something that I wish I would have purchased a long time ago. It's something that I've been knowing about, I just never really gotten around to getting it. And it can help you out a lot in your laser engraving hobby or business. But you can also use this at a lot of different things around the house. So I just wanted to give you guys this little tip if you don't already know about it, and it will help out your masking tape removal process greatly on different types of projects. And remember, you have all these different types of tools and tricks and things that I've shown you, and not every tool or trick is going to work in every scenario, so you just have to keep these things in your toolbox for the appropriate time. So let's get right into it. Let me show you the tool and just show you how I use it, so stay tuned for that. Here it is. This is the tool I was talking about. It is just a plastic razor. Works really good at getting the masking tape off of your projects, and it also works really well for various different things around the house. Ever since I've gotten this, I have found multiple ways of using it, and this particular item that I purchased from Amazon, it came with two different razors and 2 packets of blades, and this is a ton of blades here. So the blades do kind of wear out pretty quick, but man, they load you up with blades. So I'll just show you here how to use it. So it could be good when you have bigger pieces to just go ahead and help you get started on pulling the bigger pieces off here, or you can just use it like a razor, and it will not harm your project as long as you hold it at the right angle. So you don't want to just push down straight pressure on it. You want to hold it at a good angle and just lightly scrape it across the project, across the masking paper, and you can see how it starts to remove it. And this works really well when you have those very small, tedious pieces that you have to try and take off. This became really helpful during the Christmas season with all those ornaments. Made it a lot faster to complete order requests, so, and a lot less painful. And the tape that was on this baseball name tag is pretty old, so it's stuck on there really good. Normally you don't have quite as much trouble taking the paper off, but that's it. It works really well. I will put a link in the description to this exact item that I've purchased from Amazon if you want to go ahead and pick one up on your own. So that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.